Hello everyone, welcome to Pimjai Favorites. My nickname is Pimjai. I am from Primary 1/1. Today, I will talk about my favorite weather. My favorite weather are sunny and windy. Today is windy. I like windy because I like the cold weather. At night, I will not open the air and I will sleep it. And I like sunny because I like to play outside and it don't have a rain. Thank you. What is your favorite weather? Comment down below. Goodbye.